Hi, hello everyone. This is Mathu from Growbook. Here I am going to share the most beautiful place in Manali, that is Zorbing in Manali, which is located in Himachal Pradesh. Before getting into this beautiful video, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do it.
Zorbing is a thrilling adventure sport that involves rolling down a hill in a transparent, inflatable orb called a zorb. This activity has gained popularity in various tourist destinations around the world, including Manali, a beautiful hill station located in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. In Manali, zorbing is predominantly offered in Solang Valley, which is known for its picturesque landscapes and wide array of adventure activities. Zorbing in Manali usually takes place on a gentle slope, allowing participants to experience the excitement and fun of rolling downhill inside a giant ball. The zorbing ball used in Manali is typically made of transparent plastic and has a smaller ball suspended inside, providing an extra layer of protection and cushioning for the rider. Before the ride, participants are provided with safety instructions and are required to wear a safety harness inside the zorb. Once inside the zorb, the riders are securely strapped in and the ball is released to roll down the slope. As the zorb gains momentum, riders experience a unique sensation of tumbling and spinning inside the ball, which can be both exhilarating and entertaining. The sheer joy of bouncing and rolling down the hill while enjoying the scenic beauty of the surroundings makes zorbing a memorable experience in Manali. Zorbing in Manali is typically available during the summer and early autumn months when the weather is favorable for outdoor activities. It is a popular activity among both domestic and international tourists, attracting adventure enthusiasts of all ages. Whether you are traveling with family, friends, or even solo, zorbing offers a safe and exciting adventure that can be enjoyed by everyone. In addition to zorbing, Solang Valley in Manali also offers a range of other adventure sports such as paragliding, skiing, snowboarding, and ATV rides. Visitors to Manali can enjoy a combination of these activities, making it a hub for adrenaline-pumping adventures in the midst of breathtaking natural beauty. Please note that the availability and specific details of zorbing in Manali may vary, and it's always recommended to check with local tour operators or authorities for the most up-to-date information regarding this activity.
I hope you guys really enjoyed with this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back with another beautiful and interesting place to must visit in Manali. Please stay tuned.